Hey everyone, and welcome back to Arcade Travel. Today we're touring a deluxe studio at the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, one of the most elegant places to stay right here on Walt Disney World property. This room sleeps up to 5 and features a queen-size bed, a pull-down Murphy bed, and a day bed, plus a handy kitchenette with a fridge, microwave, and coffee maker for extra convenience. The bathroom features a classic tub-shower combo, and one of the best perks of this room is the amazing view of the monorail passing by. Let's go ahead and take a closer look and see what it's like to stay here. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching this deluxe studio walkthrough at Disney's Grand Floridian Villas. If you're planning a Disney vacation or love hotel tours, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite Disney resort. See you in the next tour!